What's good, Lifestyle Podcast? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jared. And today I'm going to be talking about something that's a little controversial, if you want me honest here. And that's our men replacing modern women with traditional women. Now, I'm not going to be doing any video reviews today because I honestly want to bring this up because I've been actually thinking about this, talking about it, contemplating with myself about doing this video, and the only thing I can come up with is this: these women are being replaced by these men. These women are literally getting rejected by these men. And matter of fact, I just found the video that I wanted to view. Let me share my screen. And we're gonna share this screen. And this is coming from the global code. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share this video. And here we go.
Can I compete with Thai women when it comes to dating and relationship? Absolutely yes. So in this episode, I'll tell you about the struggles we have Western women dating in Thailand and also compare. So who would you rather be with? A Thai woman or a Western woman like me? A Thai woman is easier. That's for sure. You know, she's not going to challenge you back. She's not going to be more successful than you are. She's certainly not going to have more money than you. So for sure, with Western women, you have that challenge. You need to up the game because we're going behind you. You know, we're earning equal to you, sometimes more than you. Of course, me being 38, by the way, I'm single. Just saying, if you're interested, send me your applications. I will review your persona. So anyway, yeah, the reason I'm telling you that I'm single because I know what it's like when it comes to dating. I've been on about 2 or 3 dates in the last year and a half, and they were absolutely shit. Western guys have a huge pool of candidates, a huge pool of women who are after them or their money, one of them. And of course, they have a selection. So, and what I'll find as well, guys know that dating Western women is a lot more challenging. Of course, but what you got to realize that if she's chosen you, then it's because she wants you, not that she needs you. Do you understand? And I'm not talking about all the Western women, we're all different. I'm talking about myself. You know, why do you think I'm single? The guy who called me a used tampon, you didn't upset me, okay?
Now, damn, bro, a used tampon? Damn. I'm speechless on that. So, you see this woman going around Thailand talking about how she feels like she's a prize, or she feels like West women are better. Now, there's gonna be some keywords, some key things I want to actually point out here. And what I'm gonna do is let me go back to the video, and I'm going to share my screen again, and I'm gonna stop it at the point where I want to stop. Let's get it.
That's for sure. You know, she's not going to challenge you back. She's not going to be more successful than you are. She's certainly not going to have more money than you. So
that right there. So she says she's not going to challenge you. She's not going to be, you know, I can't even fucking remember all she said because it's so irrelevant. She's certainly not going to have more money than you. She's not going to be more successful than you. And she's not going to challenge you. I just have a simplified question. And excuse me for this. What? No, matter of fact, not what. Why do a lot of you women think that men want to be challenged at every juncture? What makes you think that that men want to be challenged at every integer, every intersection, every decision they have to make? What makes you think that? What makes you think that a man wants his woman to be more successful than he is, basically making him look like the bitch in the situation? I don't understand that thought process. If men were wanting that so much, they would be jumping at the bits to try to get to you. And this goes for both Western and Eastern men. You would see a lot of traditional guys flying over here to Western civilizations to marry y'all up. But yet you don't see that. But you see Western guys fly out of the country to try to find a wife that's a traditional wife, which there are abundance of outside of Western cultures. So the question remains, what makes you think a man wants to be challenged? Modern women are getting replaced because they don't get the fucking hint. They don't get that. They're getting replaced because men don't want to be challenged. Men don't want to be talked down to, challenged, and degraded at every point in time. Men are tired of that. We had that happen so many times throughout our lives, by our mothers, by our exes, by all this stuff, that we're simply tired of it. Modern men don't want to have to deal with a nagging, belligerent, aggressive woman every fucking day that thinks she's a man. And then when she books a fight that she can't fight, she wants you to hop in and be the supposed masculine role, while she resets back to her her original programming and say, oh, I'm a feminine woman, I'm this and that, after she booked the damn fight for your ass and you get your ass whooped behind this crazy broad. Yeah, men ain't dealing with that shit no more. You book fights, you play around like nothing happens, and then you get mad when men say fuck it and leave. Let me show you a video right quick. If a man has to deal with a Western woman, and let me ask you this. If a man has to deal with a Western woman, and he finds this.
¿Cómo se llama?
Lorena.
Okay, me llamo Marquis.
Marquis.
Yes.
Marcos.
Yes, sure.
O Marcos. En español,
Close.
Marcos.
Marcus en español. En Venezuela. ¿Cómo se llama?
Lorena.
Okay, me llamo Marquis.
Marquis.
Yes.
Marcos.
Yes, sure.
O Marcos. En español,
Close.
Marcos.
Marcus en español. En Venezuela.
This woman is bad. You see this? If a Western man has to pick from this woman and a loud and aggressive Western woman, which one do you think that man's gonna choose? Oh, me. I know. Yeah, he's gonna choose this. And there's an abundance of that overseas compared to here in the States. I'm just gonna say that out loud. I need to turn that TV down. This shit's starting to aggravate the shit out of me. But yeah. This versus combative, challenging, aggressive, masculine Western women. Men would choose this at any day. She bad as a mug. Jesus, Murphy. She bad as a mug, boy. Nigga, let me get my motherfucking passport. Shit. Fuck y'all. Get my goddamn beard trimmed up. And I noticed a lot of y'all was talking about my hairline receding. Yeah, my hairline may be receding. But I'm gonna tell you this. I probably can still pull more hoes than you with that damn degree. I'm gonna just say that out loud. I will pull more hoes. I'll pull more women. I'll pull more women. But you can't even pull one man with your damn $150,000 degree. Kick rocks. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, channel, support the podcast, subscribe.com. See you guys on the flip side. Thank you guys for listening. I'll see you guys later. Jesus, I have to do. Good night, guys.